Today we're going to talk about how to do the knit one below stitch. This is the stitch that gives us the beautiful texture you see here in all of our granite sweaters, dresses, and beanies. So this is a left-handed tutorial because I am a left-handed knitter. But if you're right-handed, this should give you a good idea of how to do this as well. So this next stitch that I'm going to need to do is a knit one below, and I know this, and you'll see this happening as you continue on your work and the pattern gets established. But I know this because this whole line of stitches is very flat, whereas this whole line here is very bumpy. So that is a regular knit row, but this flat one is a knit one below row. And column? Column is a better word. So let's do the knit one below. I'm going to do the first couple a little bit slow so you can kind of see. So a typical knit stitch, you would go here, but we're not going to go into the stitch. We're going to knit in one stitch below, hence the name knit one below. So we're going to go straight into the stitch below and knit and pull it off. And then we knit one regular stitch. Let's do that again. Knit below. We're right in that stitch, you can see. Let me show you, see if I can get a better one. See this hole right here, stitch below, and pull it off. And then a knit stitch. We'll do one more slow. Knit one below, and knit. Now let's do a couple a little bit faster, so you can see it at regular speed. Knit below, knit, knit below, knit, knit below, knit, knit below, knit. So I hope that is helpful for you as you are working on your granite sweaters, dresses, or beanies. Happy knitting!